Okay, today you're focusing on mark making and you're going to use a range of marks to add texture and pattern and colour to your typography mood board. So the range of marks that you're going to be using are Scumbling, so that's one example. So Scumbling is where you scribble around and around to actually create texture and tone. So this Scumbling you can see some of the paper through it, so that would be a mid-tone. You can actually make the lines much further apart and maybe press lighter with the pen, and that would be a lighter tone. Or you can make your scribbles really, really close together and layered so that you can hardly see any of the paper. And that would be your darkest tone. It takes quite a while to do that. So don't want to see any massive just scribbles anywhere. It's a very methodical circular motion for Scumbling. Another mark that you will be working with is hatching. So hatching is where you actually draw lines that go in a direction. You can choose a direction. The closer those lines are together, the darker the tone will appear. The further apart, the lighter your tone will appear. So that is hatching, so using lines. Cross-hatching is where you actually use multi-directional lines. So you work over the top and you create layers of lines to build up tone. The more layers, the darker the outcome. So that's cross-hatching. Another one that you're going to be experiencing or working with today is directional hatching. So you have your lines, you make your hatched lines, and if you've got something that's circular, so for example the dot of an eye, you're hatching and then directional hatching around the outside, and that will actually accentuate or make that circular area in the design more visible. So you always use directional line when you're adding colour or tone. To a shape. Okay, so that's directional cross-hatching.